Hey y'all, in today's video, we're replacing the crankshaft seal on a Toyota Camry. Whether you're dealing with an oil leak or doing preventive maintenance, this guide will walk you through every step clearly and safely. Removing the crankshaft sprocket. First up, here's the crankshaft sprocket. Just pull it straight off like this. Behind it is the crankshaft seal we're replacing. Prepping to remove the seal. To pull the old seal out, we're going to use a 3/4-inch sheet metal. Screw with a 1/4-inch hex head. Important tip, don't use a self-tapping screw. You want full threads all the way to the tip, so it can grip the seal properly. Here's the back of the seal for reference. That inner metal band is what the screw will catch onto for removal. Drilling the seal. We're going to use a punch to make a starter mark in the seal, then drill a hole with a 1/8-inch bit. To avoid drilling too deep, we wrapped some tape around the bit at about 1/4 inch. Just enough to pass through the seal without damaging anything behind it. Pulling out the seal. Now, thread the screw into the hole about 4 turns. We're using a simple cat's paw nail puller to grip the screw and pry out the seal. You could use any tool that lets you gently apply outward force. There it is! The seal is out. Important. Check for the thin metal spring that runs around the inner edge of the seal. You want to make sure that spring comes out with it. If it's missing, you'll need to retrieve it from the engine before installing the new seal. Tips for better placement. When you drill and insert the screw, aim for a spot closer to the outer edge of the seal, not dead center. That gives you better grip on the inner metal band. Also, don't screw in too deep, just about 1/8 inch is enough. Any deeper, and you risk damaging the housing behind the seal. Cleaning the area. With the old seal removed, use a Q-tip dipped in denatured alcohol to clean the seal race. That surface needs to be clean for the new seal to seat properly. Installing the new seal. Here's the new Toyota crankshaft seal part number 9080-31022. Toyota pre-lubes the inside of the seal with their signature. Pink grease. Toyota grease. 0870010, so don't add any extra. And per Toyota techs, do not grease the outside of the seal. Setting the new seal. We press the new seal in by hand as far as possible, using the crankshaft sprocket to help keep it aligned and square. Then, we used a 2-inch ABS pipe, a piece of wood, and a mallet to gently tap the seal in further. Once we reached the limit with the pipe, we switched to a flat, square-cut piece of wood to finish the job. Rest it evenly across the seal and housing, then tap it gently until you hear a solid thud. That's how you know it's fully seated. And that's it! You've successfully removed and replaced the crankshaft seal on your Toyota Camry. We hope this guide helps with your DIY project. Take your time, follow each step, and you'll get it done right. Thanks for watching, and happy wrenching!